Okay, so you're probably wondering what LocalSend is. LocalSend is a cross-platform, open source, and free utility that will allow you to share files over the network very quickly, very efficiently to another device. So just a few of the features that this software has is decentralized, meaning it doesn't rely on like a central server, so it's not like you're uploading to the server in the cloud, kind of like say OneDrive, Dropbox, any of those cloud storage services. You're uploading to that cloud, which then makes it available anywhere you have access to it, which is great. However, now they have a copy of what you've just uploaded. This is decentralized. It's straight point to point. So, like, for example, I use it to transfer my files off my phone to my computer so I can edit them for these videos when I record on my phone. This is much, much quicker than transferring it via cord to my computer. It works, but this is much, much easier. Like I said, it is cross-platform. So LocalSend is available on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. 100% free. There's no any kind of subscription that you can pay for this. You just download it, configure it, which really isn't all that much, and just use it. There's no free tier and paid tier to get rid of ads or anything like that. It's free to use, no ads, no tracking, no hidden costs. Again, like I mentioned before, it's open source, so the code is publicly available so that everyone and anyone can contribute to the project. If, again, as long as you, I, or whoever wants to contribute actually has the skills and knowledge to contribute. And it is secure. It's end-to-end encryption to ensure that only you and whoever you're sending that file to, whether it's somebody else or you're just sending it from one of your devices to another, is a quick means to get it there. And a very, very easy to use, simple, plain Jane, basic graphical user interface. Very, very easy. Let's go ahead and take a look now at how to use the desktop app, as well as I'm going to be showing you the iOS app, the Linux app, and I'm going to try and show you the Windows app, whether it's on a virtual machine or if I can get my hands on my wife's laptop when she's not using it. So let's go ahead. We'll take a look at how the program itself actually works, what the interface looks like, what the options are available to you, and just how easy in general it is to use. So I will see you this way, that way, some way. Alright, so this is what the software looks like on both Windows, Mac, or Linux. The program itself looks the same. This is the main screen that you're going to be brought to when you first open it. That's the name of my machine. By default, it will give it some random name. That can be changed in the settings. And as you see here, under you have these quick save options. So like I can go quick save for like devices that I have listed as favorites. That way it'll just automatically accept it. I can just have it so it's on. So anytime a file is sent, it'll just automatically be accepted. And like that's my phone because I use my phone, so I have it as a favorite device. I can click File, and I can send a picture. I can send whatever I want that way. Under Settings, you have theme, light, dark. I just leave it to System. color. I just for the most part I left most of this defaulted. So like this option, like if you have it auto start after like you log in, you can have it start so it's just minimized, so it's open, but it doesn't open the physical window. You can turn on quick save for favorites. If you want to need like a PIN or a password to be entered to access the app, it has that option. You can change where you save your files to. I'm not sure what auto finish is. Save to history. Under network, if your server options, which you probably would never need to play with other than maybe your device name if you want to assign a specific name to your device. About LocalSend. And then a donate button. You do have advanced settings. I've never played in there. Let's go ahead and we'll take a look at the iOS app. Okay, so this is the default interface for the LocalSend iOS app. It defaults to the receive page. The name that's been assigned to my device is Mystic Mushroom. I'm just going to leave it alone. Again, you have your quick save or your more or less like auto save, where it'll just automatically save your file on your device. Again, this is your where you can choose to send files. So I can go here. I can choose to send that file, whatever file I want, which we'll look at here shortly. Again, you have all your more or less all the same settings on your iOS app, like save media to gallery. That's the one that changes when you look at the desktop app, where it just allows you to choose or specify like a folder to save to. That's not going to be the case on the iOS app. So for the most part, that is everything in the app. Let's take a look at how to send a file. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and demonstrate how to send a file over LocalSend here. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hit media. I want to send this clip here that's 1 and 20 seconds. I'm going to hit confirm. So you can see here it shows at the top, that's the file that I want to send. And then, because I'm sending it to my device, I have my desktop set up as a favorite. I'm going to just click it. Now on the desktop side here, you can see, shows Mystic Mushroom device number 127, which is fine. I'm not sure what that number actually means. It's coming from my iPhone. I want to accept. Now we can see that it's done. And it will turn up in whatever folder. So let's go ahead and get cut over to that folder, and I will show you that clip that we just transferred. Okay, so I'm in my File Explorer. I've navigated to my Downloads folder, and right there is the file that we just recorded as part of the last clip that we just sent to the computer here. So that's literally how easy sending these files are using LocalSend. Well, I hope that has helped. I hope that if this is something that you were looking to do, that this program helps you accomplish that. It is definitely quicker than connecting to it, and depending on what iPhone you have, that doesn't seem to necessarily always work by connecting to the computer. I know for sure this way will always work as long as you're using it on one of the supported devices, whether it's iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, or Linux. It seems to work if you're trying to use it on something outside of that, which I don't know what that would be. Maybe a super old copy of Windows, like 3.1 or something like that, maybe. But again, if you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button, as well as hit that notification bell to turn on notifications to be notified when I go live or upload to the channel, or even just make a post on the channel, as well as hit that like button to let the YouTube algorithm know that you enjoyed the video and to help get the video out to more people that it may think it would maybe benefit from the video. I'm not 100% on how that whole thing works, but I will see you in the next one.